In this video, we are going to start a new practical of social pharmacy that has been recently added in the syllabus of diploma and bachelor's in pharmacy. It includes the study about personal hygiene and etiquettes, hand washing techniques, cough and sneeze etiquettes. The reference is the Anand Meghana Das Lipika et al. It is an article of International Journal of Research in Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. This is the reference and the pages that from where we have taken the information or the theory part. So, the practice of personal hygiene, including hand washing, body washing, and facial cleanliness, are the essential to maintain a good standard of living. The major types of personal hygiene include toilet hygiene. It includes washing hands after using toilet or restroom. Next is the shower hygiene, that we have to take bath daily and maintain cleanliness. Then is the nail hygiene, that we have to cut nails every week and so that we keep our hands clean. Next is the teeth hygiene, that is it includes brushing of teeth at least twice a day. Next is the sickness hygiene. It includes maintaining distance and etiquettes during sickness to avoid spreading of a disease. Next we have the hands hygiene, that includes washing of hands as soon as we enter home and especially before and after having our meal or food. Next we have the hand washing techniques. The following steps should be followed while washing hands. That include, first we have to wet our hands with a clean running water, turn off the tap and apply soap. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with soap. Lather the back of your hands between your fingers and under your nails. Then we have to scrub our nails for at least 20 seconds. Then rinse your hands well under a clean running water. Then dry your hands with clean towel or air dry them. We can also use hand sanitizers when we cannot use soap and water. This is an alternative if water and soap are not available. Next we have the coughing and sneezing etiquettes. The good cough and sneeze etiquettes involve taking steps to minimize the likelihood that someone else catch viral of yours, cold or flu when you cough or sneeze. There are many simple measures one can take. Cover the cough and sneeze. Use a disposable tissue to cover your mouth or nose if possible. Dispose of or clean contaminated products immediately. Ensure that your hands are hygienically cleaned. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 15 to 20 seconds every time you cough or sneeze. Avoid touching the face. Avoid close contact with others. These are the certain personal health and hygiene etiquettes that include the hand washing techniques and the cough and sneezing etiquettes. This is the end of the practical. आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. हमें इसको भी ऐसे ही जैसे अभी मैंने आपको बताया है स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक, ऐसे हमें अपने प्रैक्टिकल फाइल्स में लिखना है.